Welcome guys, thank you so much for watching my video. This video is for the rainbow token holders, and this token is blowing very big, and it's almost up to 17% up in the last 24 hours. Guys, the rainbow is a fresh and the innovative ecosystem that is aiming to bring the accessibility to the crypto, and this is the powered by the rainbow token, and this will utilize the 7 strong protocols, and this is a truly place for the everyone. Guys, this token has goal to bring the more people into the wonderful world of the crypto, and that is our mission to develop the curate the apps and the focus on the low fees and the usability. Guys, this token is almost up to 17%, as you see here the price action of this on the graph, and this is the almost about the 7 day or the 1 month old token. When you see here the price action of this token is almost go below on to 0.04 satoshi, and now it's 0.21. Guys, it should go to zero point 0.4 if you invest here. I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing any single penny on any token or the rainbow token. I'm not your financial advisor. Guys, if you see the website of the token here, you see it's almost on the big trend and the newly launched website. This is the contract address where you can buy the rainbow token, and you can buy on the Pancakeswap also and the Bitforest launchpad. This you can also buy this token on the Bitmart also. Guys, when you see the website here, you see these are the 7 color features on the 7% tax. This is the awesome feature of these tokens, and this is the powerhouse of an ecosystem. Guys, here you see buying of the rainbow is you can also buy on the Bitmart and the buy on the Pancakeswap. In this video I will show you how you can buy on the Pancakeswap using your trust wallet account or the metaverse wallet account. I will easily guide you how you can buy this on Pancakeswap trust wallet. Guys, when you see the official Twitter account of the rainbow token is almost, they have 32.4k followers right now, and it's almost on the trending on coin market cap on the first. It's awesome guys, and before 24 hours these are going also trending on the Coingecko market also. If you see their tweets also, guys, before 6 hours ago they have almost achieved the 55,000 holders right now, and it also have most low coin market cap values, and this is also on the trending on the Coingecko market. Here you see it's almost on the fourth number on the Coingecko market cap. It's almost a good news for the upcoming. You see here before 12 hours its price was 2.02176 satoshi, and it's right now you see here the price action is moves almost in a good trend. Here you see its price is right now 0.025, almost up to the 17%. If you invest $1,000 before 15 hours, that will give you a huge profit right now. So guys, let's start how you can buy this token on using the Pancakeswap trust wallet account. So for this you have to copy the contract address of this token here right now, and then go to open your trust wallet account, and there you have to open the D apps from bottom. When you open the D apps button, you must click on the Pancakeswap official website. Here you see click on the Pancakeswap. Guys, you must select the Pancakeswap Binance Smart Chain address. Here you see on the top here, do not select Ethereum, Polygon or whatever. So you must select the Smart Chain BNB from there. So when you select the Smart Chain BNB, here you see the balance of your BNB will appear there, and the which token you want to buy on the Pancakeswap Trust Wallet. Here you must select token that you want to purchase. So I want to purchase the rainbow token. I will paste the contract address of the rainbow token from there. So I paste the contract address. So you see here the rainbow token will appear there, and click on the import button, and then you see here the imports tokens are there, the unknown source use. So you can I understand, click and click on import. Here my rainbow token will appear there, and I want to spend here the very small amount of BNB on this token. So you see how much rainbow token will appear there. I will purchase about 2 million rainbow token with the very small amount of the smart chain BNB. So for this, click on the swap button. When you click on the swap button here, the transaction calls will appear there, about the network fees, about the maximum total. So my the network fees of that spending token is $1.14 almost, and the next maximum total will be spending here $1.20, and it's almost nothing. And guys, when you increase the amount of BNB here, you see, let's check the fees of that token is how much increasing. So I will tell you, I want to work 0.3. So click on the swap button, confirm swap price updated. So the smart call will be executed. You see here I increase the amount of the BNB, so the network fees is still the same, $1.14. And when I increase more, click on the swap button. Guys, many people are facing when they, guys, you see the price decreases. Wow, it's really good. Guys, you see, if you increase the amount of the BNB of the purchasing token, your fees are reducing. So you see the network fees of that token is going to reduce $0.91, and it's awesome. If I go to increase more, I will spending 0.7. So I'm going to spending my all amount of BNB. Click on the swap button. So you see here, wow, the network fees was still same $0.91, and it's a good. So for this way you can purchase the rainbow token. And many people are facing the slippage tolerance issue while buying the swapping on this token. So you must select here the slippage tolerance here, or 10 or 11. It's up to you how much you want to spending slippage tolerance here. For this, doing this, you can easily fix your Pancakeswap issue. Guys, if you are new on my video, please like my channel and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Guys, if you are feel to facing the Pancakeswap gas fees issue problem, you can go to my channel and watch this video, Pancakeswap transaction fees error issues, and fix your problems. Here I recently upload the video about the Pancakeswap errors. Here you see 2.3 second with 30-second videos I uploaded. So you can go to my channel and watch that video also for the solution of Pancakeswap gas fees issue problems. Guys, if your token is not appearing on the Pancakeswap, so first you have to go to your wallet, then click on the tokenomics here, then search token here, then click on any address or anything, or here click on the paste your contract address, then click on the rainbow token, and this token will appear on your wallet. So you see here the price of that action is almost up. So the point is up almost 1%. I in the start video I share you it's 17%. Now it's almost up in 18.46%. It's all some good news. So before 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, so you see the price action is still moving, and it's good for you investments. So here you see the 7 colors, 7 features, and the 7% tax. It's a good. You see the 24-hour volume is almost 5 million, and the current supply is almost big. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel.